The 2025 Los Angeles wildfires have become one of the most destructive in the city's modern history, and Paris Hilton has suffered a devastating loss. Her Los Angeles home was engulfed in the relentless wildfire sweeping across the area. Paris took to Instagram to share a heartbreaking video of what remains of her beloved home. The video, paired with an emotional caption, has left her fans and followers devastated. Yesterday, she shared this heartbreaking video of herself with her family watching the news that her house was being destroyed by the wildfires.
And obviously tough connections right now. Tony, can you hear us?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I hear the producer. I do not. Okay. There we go.